Welcome to the channel today. We're diving into an exciting topic that's been flying across the tech world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This upcoming drone is generating huge buzz, with new leaks, rumored features, and an earlier than expected release date catching the attention of drone enthusiasts, photographers, and beginners alike. Whether you're exploring drones for the first time or you've been in the sky for years, this deep dive will walk you through everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From design changes to camera upgrades, flight performance, and the most recent updates on when it's officially landing. Let's get started. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Fresh leaks and exciting developments over the past few weeks. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been at the center of several credible leaks, giving us a sneak peek into what could be DJI's most powerful mini drone yet. One of the most talked about reveals came from drone insider Igor Bogdanov, who shared what appears to be one of the clearest early images of the new Mini 5 Pro. Initial speculation sparked plenty of debate, especially after drone fans noticed what seemed to be solid, non-folding propellers and attached propeller guards, details that, if true, would have marked a big shift away from the foldable, travel-friendly design the Mini series is famous for. However, these early worries were quickly put to rest. Propeller rumors cleared up a few days after the initial leak. Fresh footage surfaced showing DJI testing the Mini 5 Pro outdoors. In the video, it became clear that the drone does, in fact, retain its signature foldable propellers, and the propeller guards remain optional accessories. This confirmed that DJI is sticking to its winning formula: compact, portable drones that can easily fold and fit into small carrying cases, perfect for travelers and creators on the go. And even more exciting update points to an improved propeller mounting system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a quick-release design, eliminating the need for tools or screws when changing propellers. This new press and whisk locking mechanism will make the setup process much faster and easier, ideal for beginners and those who want to get airborne with minimal hassle. Design tweaks and visual upgrades. Looking closer at the leaked images, the Mini 5 Pro introduces a few design updates that set it apart from previous models. Unlike the lighter color scheme of earlier mini drones, the Mini 5 Pro sports a sleek dark gray finish, offering a more premium, professional look. The drone's arms also appear to have a more rounded, aerodynamic shape, which could help reduce wind resistance and improve flight stability. Meanwhile, the rear layout, including the power button, battery indicators, and cooling vents, remains similar to what we've seen on the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro, preserving a familiar interface for existing DJI users. Advanced obstacle detection. For safer flights, and of the standout upgrades is the improved obstacle detection system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be equipped with newly designed wide-angle sensors that offer nearly complete coverage, significantly reducing blind spots and enhancing flight safety. Additionally, reports suggest the drone will feature an advanced, forward-facing sensor with an estimated detection range of about 25 meters. This makes it a much safer option for both new pilots and experienced drone flyers who need reliable obstacle avoidance, especially when flying in complex environments. Although it might not match the high-end safety systems found on DJI's flagship drones, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the safest compact drones ever produced. Smarter flights with AI-powered features and hardware upgrades. DJI is expected to pack the Mini 5 Pro with an updated AI-powered flight system. This will bring improvements to automatic tracking, obstacle recognition, and route planning, making the drone smarter and more intuitive to fly. The new AI system will help ensure smoother, safer flights, even for users who are still learning the ropes. DJI's goal seems to be creating a drone that anyone can enjoy, whether you're a beginner, a travel vlogger, or a seasoned aerial photographer. Major camera improvements. Most exciting development, by far, is the significant camera upgrade. Early leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could come with a larger 1-inch sensor, capable of capturing 4,000 video at up to 120 frames per second. If this is true, the Mini 5 Pro will be the first in its series to offer cinematic slow-motion recording, a game-changing feature for content creators. The larger sensor would also deliver better low-light performance, allowing for clearer night shots with less noise, a huge win for those interested in evening aerial photography. In addition, the drone appears to feature upgraded black motors, likely optimized for improved cooling and energy efficiency to handle the demands of the new camera system. Battery options and extended flight times. DJI is expected to offer battery options for the Mini 5 Pro. 1 will keep the drone under the 250-gram weight limit, making it easier to fly without registration in many regions. This battery is rumored to support flight times of around 35 minutes. For users who want maximum flight time, there's likely to be a second, larger battery option that could extend flights to nearly 60 minutes, one of the longest flight times available in the compact drone category. However, this option would move the drone above the 250-gram threshold. This flexible battery system means pilots can choose between ultralight portability and extended airtime depending on their flying needs. The release date sooner than expected. Biggest surprise. According to new insider information, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is now set to launch earlier than originally planned, initially expected later this summer. The updated release timeline points to an official launch on August 7th. Based on DJI's usual product rollout, a teaser campaign may appear about a week before, potentially giving us an early look at the drone's design and features before the full reveal. With the release just around the corner, it's an exciting time for drone fans. Should you wait for the Mini 5 Pro? If you already own an older Mini drone, now might be the perfect opportunity to consider upgrading, with retailers likely to offer discounts on the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro to clear inventory. Buyers have a unique chance to either grab a great deal on an outgoing model or hold out for the more advanced Mini 5 Pro. For first-time drone pilots, the timing couldn't be better. You can either pick up a reliable, discounted mini drone or wait just a few weeks for the latest and greatest features DJI has to offer in this category. Final thoughts: DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a massive leap forward in the compact drone space, with upgraded safety features, a smarter flight system, a much more powerful camera, and impressive flight time options. It promises to deliver an unbeatable balance of portability and performance. As the August release date approaches, drone enthusiasts, content creators, and hobbyists should keep a close eye on this launch. It could easily become the most popular compact drone of the year. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay connected for more updates, detailed comparisons, and hands-on drone reviews coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like if you found it useful, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest in drone technology and future innovations. See you in the next one.